Hari Om, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to discuss the topic of why us Hindus light a deepam or a lamp during the prayer. Lighting of a lamp is one of the most common and fundamental rituals performed in a Hindu household. Once, twice, or even more in some households, a lamp is lit every day before the altar of the Lord. That lamp is commonly called as Deepam or Diya, and the flame is called as Jyoti. It is customary to light a Deepam during pujas, holy rituals, and special occasions, and to maintain the Jyoti throughout the entire process of the ritual or the puja. So let's see the process of how we light a Deepam. First, a lamp holder is filled with ghee or oil, and a wick is submerged into that liquid. The tip of the wick is set to protrude out near the top of the lamp. A small flame is set to the tip of the wick to start the Jyoti. Then a small dab of kumkum or turmeric is applied to the lamp. While performing a namaskaram to the Deepam, the following sloka is recited. Deepam Jyoti Parabrahmam Deepam Sarvatamoharam Deepena Sadhyate Sarvam Deepa Lakshmi Namostute. The meaning of this sloka is to say, I pray to the Deepam, which is the representation of Almighty, the Parabrahma. May this Deepam eliminate all laziness and inactivity in me. May this Deepam provide me the strength to perform even the utmost difficult activity. This Deepam is a manifestation of Lakshmi Devi, and I pray to this auspicious Deepam. So that is the meaning of that sloka. Now let's see what the inner meaning of this process is. The Jyoti or the flame represents knowledge, eradication of darkness and ignorance. Just as the sun god dispels all darkness by his bright rays in the morning, Deepam also illuminates and provides light. The symbolism is that light removes darkness, and similarly, knowledge removes ignorance. So by worshipping that light in the form of Deepam, we are respecting and seeking that true knowledge. Hence, Deepam is worshipped as the Lord Himself. Okay, we understand the representation of light. If light is the main objective, can't we just use an electric bulb? That too would accomplish the task of removing darkness, right? Yes, but the traditional Deepam has much more spiritual significance to it. The fuel, either oil or ghee in the lamp, symbolizes our vasanas, or the negative tendencies that we tend to carry forward. The wick represents the human ego. A Deepam consumes the fuel and burns the wick and illuminates the surrounding. Similarly, when lit with spiritual knowledge, the vasanas or the negative tendencies, they get exhausted and the ego gets burnt, resulting in a pure human form of knowledge. That pure form should be the ultimate goal for every human being. Hence, we light a Deepam to remind us to attain that path of knowledge. So that is the inner meaning of the process of why we light a Deepam and why we pray to the Deepam, because we see the Deepam as the manifestation of the Lord Himself, and we see the Deepam as a representation of knowledge. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.